Thank you and welcome to my Technology Integration Unit project from my class in ETEC 562. My name is Robert Wolf, and my goal today is to teach undergrad students at the university level. So I am trying to think ahead and solve an issue that comes up, I would say tirelessly, almost every semester with every teacher, and that is incomplete or late homework. So how can I do that? One idea is creating a virtual teaching assistant using GoAnimate. This first slide is titled Engaging Students with Video. This is where I would go to create my virtual teaching assistant. Next, we have the whole school. And this setup is so that you can get all of your students involved and you would be able to keep them active and you could see what they're doing, and they would be able to get their homework and assignments and all these different things from my teaching assistant. This is where my teaching assistant would list all of the classes, the students and the videos, what's posted, the assignments, that sort of thing for the. And this page is where the activity of the site is brought to the teaching assistant and to myself, to where I could see and interact with what the students are doing, see what videos maybe they've created, if they're having problems with homework or any of those things that are necessary. This page is a feed burner site where my virtual teaching assistant would be able to add to the blog different homework assignments, different documents that they might need to be reading, even notes if their grades are posted. They would be able to comment with other students. You'd have all this back and forth dialogue, and this way I've created a blog. I've sent them a URL so that they could subscribe to this FeedBurner site, and automatically when I post something there, their email address would receive a message from me from this site. Next, you see I have my lesson plan that I've designed for these students, and as you can tell, the scope and sequence is listed first. I have my list of unit outcomes that you notice, and what I want those students to do from this week. The amount of time you'll see later on. This is a 3-week module, and it is in reference is into the research methodologies and them creating a, for example, a literature review that they could post and use as one of their artifacts in this course. I've given them some hot links to some different things I think they will need that will help them. I've given them different documents they can read to help them further their project. And also, I've described their assignments and how I want them to discuss in that week's module. As I said, this shows you the estimated time required by the learners, which is this would last 3 weeks. I've also given them some instructional media to help them research and prepare their position. I've given them I've given them a link from Dr. Donlinger to help them understand why they would be using a CRAP test. To help them evaluate every source of information. In this test, it describes how to understand if the currency is valid, if the relevance of the article is valid, the authority, accuracy, and purpose, as you see there. Next, and this is the last page to this one lesson plan. I've given them a hot link to matchware.com. It's designed to help them put their citations, helps them linking websites, text files, and that sort of thing. This is a very helpful educational mind mapping software. Also, I posted the student learning objectives I want to achieve through this course. I definitely want them to be active and engaged. I want them to learn how to analyze through constructing and creating. I want them to be able to compare and contrast different research designs. I want them to develop what the purpose and their research questions are in this project. I want them to learn how to utilize the APA 6th edition for their research paper. And lastly, I want them to definitely participate in discussions in a relevant manner as they provide constructive and thoughtful feedback to their peers. And lastly, this is the instructional goals that I have set for this course. I want them to achieve relevance, creativity and innovation, communication and collaboration, research and information fluency. I want them to build skills in critical thinking, problem solving and decision making. I want them to care about their digital citizenship and also technology operations and concepts as they go through this course. Thank you for your time and have a great day.